In this video, we will show you how to replace your front fog lamp bezel. On this Ford Fusion, this will be mounted to your front bumper cover. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Locate your bezel. To remove this, it's going to be fairly simple using a small pocket screwdriver. There's two areas that we want to gently pry on. One would be right up in here on this corner, and if it does not completely break free, you want to make your way just down here. Come right up along here. For prying in between the plastics, gently start tugging that away. Right down here, as I mentioned, you can pry on that as well. And there it is, friend. While you have that out of position, the next thing you want to do is clean and inspect the area. It's time for installation of our brand new bezel. You want to start with the outboard side of it. If you're looking at it, you're going to find that it has two ears. Those ears are going to slide right into this area, and then we'll roll the inboard side in, latching it in. Just line it up. Listen for a click, give it a tug, make sure it's secured. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.